In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Shein with our updated guide for 2025. This is an easy and secure method to manage your payments on one of the most popular online shopping platforms. By the end of this video, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to link your PayPal account to Shein for a seamless checkout experience. Let's start off by navigating to your payment options on Shein. For this, you'll want to visit your Shein account. Once logged in, head over to the My Payment Options section. This is where all the magic happens, and here you'll have access to all the methods you can use to pay for your Shein purchases. Now, as you look at the screen, you'll notice some highlighted areas. The highlight usually serves as a guide through the process and will show you where to focus your attention. It's important because navigating through these selections ensures that you're in the right section for adding a payment method like PayPal. Next, you'll want to click on My Payment Options. This can be found typically on the left-hand side menu or prominently displayed on the Payment Settings dashboard. By clicking here, you'll open the section where you can manage and add various payment methods, including PayPal. Once you're in the correct place, there's a button labeled ADD a new card. Now, don't be misled by the wording here. This section isn't just for adding new card details, but also for connecting your PayPal account. Click on this button to proceed. When you do this, you should be presented with several options for adding new payment methods. Upon clicking ADD a new card, look for the PayPal option. Typically, platforms like Shein will have multiple choices ranging from credit and debit cards to third-party services like PayPal. Selecting PayPal is advantageous if you prefer not to enter card details directly and would like an extra layer of security for your online purchases. Choosing PayPal will redirect you to a secure PayPal login page. If you don't have an account, this is where you'll need to create one, but if you do, simply enter your credentials. Make sure to follow all the prompts PayPal presents to ensure your account is ready to be linked. Once completed, you'll be redirected back to Shein. Now that your PayPal is connected, you can select it as your payment method whenever you check out. This integration allows you to shop with ease and avoids the hassle of re-entering payment information every time. Plus, with PayPal, you can enjoy additional buyer protection and simplified transaction management. And there you have it, you've successfully set up PayPal as your payment method on Shein. With these quick actions, you're all set to shop securely and efficiently. Happy shopping!